I'm here at the Wendy's recording myself eating food and talking to myself. We got cheese fries, 6-piece nuggets because they're free. I almost just made it a 5-piece because I freaking dropped it. And then we got classic chicken sandwich, but the way I like it, which is extra mayo, extra pickles, hold the lettuce and tomato. And then we got cherry vanilla Coke. And I just got my hair cut and dyed. Looking good. And I just took 2 edibles. They ain't hit yet, but I wish I timed getting my food better with it hitting, so it's like, you know, it's better to eat when high, but whatever. Wendy's is Wendy's, and I'm happy to eat it whenever. I love Wendy's. Wendy's is my favorite. Cheese fries. Good shit. I don't care if nobody hears me burp. I don't give a fuck. Cheesy. How cheesy that is. Don't that look good? Another. Looks like I got some of the Takis stuff in here. There's like dots of red. I don't know if y'all see that. Yeah, there's definitely dots of red in there. I just gotta make sure I don't get too passionate with my because I am in public. And I lack spatial awareness sometimes. So I'll kind of forget I'm in public and get a little too vocal. Let's not do that. I like to eat my food one at a time. You know, eat all the fries, eat all the nuggets, then eat the sandwich. Don't like, I don't know, I don't like to go all over. I like to eat one at a time. There's a lot of cheese on this. Don't get me wrong, I like cheese, but it feels like I'm eating straight up cheese. Enough cheese. Goddamn. Silence. My bangs are pissing me off. God damn, what the fuck? I don't know, they're just gonna do what they want, I guess. Do some nuggets. And of course, why is that sticky? What the? I touched that. And I just drooled. What? I don't want this one. I'll take this one now. Nugget. Just washing out the windows. I'm honestly kind of full. But I spent my last $10 on this, so I have to eat it all. Ugh, I'm full. Wait, let's clear some room. Try to clear some room. Sorry, that was gross. Oops. Okay, nothing's coming out. I tried. But I feel it. I feel there's a burp. Oh, it turned into a fart. I got a fart now. But I don't have a gallbladder. Oh, no, that's shit. Well, I have to shit now, so. I was about to say I don't have a gallbladder. Wait. There we go. I knew it was in there. A customer walked around the corner as I did that, and he just looked at me like. But I'm gonna finish eating. Yeah. It's a double nugget. Last one. Shit.